Hi, I'm Jody Williams. Today I'm going to speak to you about Contracts Works insurance, an annual policy versus a single Contracts Works insurance policy. So Contracts Works policies cover your bricks and mortar, your materials as a builder or something that you are constructing. You don't have to be a builder, you can be an electrician, you can be HVAC, you can be anything where you are installing materials. Two different types of policies. You can have an annual policy. An annual policy covers all the bills you do throughout the year. It's very easy. You give me a declaration on what builds you're going to do, what type of works you're going to do, and you pay a premium, an annual premium that covers all those jobs for the year. Then there's a single Contracts Works policy in which you purchase a policy per build. So if you are a specialised builder, you might be dealing in restoration of historical buildings, you might have minimal one-off builds where they're very specialised. A single policy might be more worthwhile for you, and that is we will quote you for that one particular build and you know the exact price, the exact premium you're going to pay, and you can factor that into your costings for your client. There's benefits and swings and roundabouts for each really. An annual policy is much easier and much cleaner, and you don't have to worry too much throughout the year. A single policy is also very good because you can, like I said, you can pinpoint the premium to that project. But the downfall of a single policy is that you can't have liability insurance attached to it. So you also need to then take into account your liability insurance premium. And you may find that if you take out an annual policy, then your liability insurance premium is a lot lower than if you do 3 or 4 single policies and then take out a separate liability insurance policy, and the premium can be a lot higher. This is where you need to speak to your insurance broker. Let them know what your plans are for the next 12 months. Let them know what kind of builds you're doing. Let them know what builds you've done in the past, and we can sit down and do all the sums for you and work it out. So have a think about whether an annual Contracts Works policy with liability insurance is better for you, or a single contract by contract policy with an annual liability policy. If you've got any questions, give me a call. Me and my team are always happy to answer questions. Contact details are up here. Jody Williams from Oracle Group Insurance Brokers. Have a lovely day.